Hello everyone, I'm Gowthami Kota, a fourth year CSM student from Gayatri Vidya Parishad College of Engineering. In the last video, we understood why networking is so important. So today, let's explore different types of networks available. By the end of this video, you will understand about PAN, LAN, MAN, and WAN. So before getting into the concept, let's just understand why do we need different types of network. Think about transportation system. Depending on the distance we have to travel, we choose different ways to travel, right? Like if you are moving inside your home, you just walk. To go around your neighborhood or office campus, you might use a bike or a car. To travel across entire city, you would use a bus or metro. And finally, to travel between countries, you take an airplane. So, in the transportation system, we have different modes of transport to reach different distances. So, similarly, we have different types of networks available to connect the devices depending upon their distance and the geographic area. So, let's start with the very first type, which is personal area network or PAN. As the name suggests, it is the smallest type of network and it's all about you and the devices that are closer to you. It usually covers a few meters, say around 10 meters, we can count it on. Basically, the distance around your body or within a small room. For example, when you connect your phone to your smartwatch via Bluetooth, or when you play songs on your wireless earbuds, you are actually creating a personal area network. Even when you share your mobile internet using a hotspot to connect your laptop, that is also PAN in action. The key thing to note here is PAN is meant for personal use only and it does not connect big groups of devices or cover larger areas. Instead, it's like your own gadget bubble around you. And if we compare this to transportation, PAN is like walking inside your home. You don't need a car or bus for that. You can simply walk it out, right? Similarly, for the short distance, personal communication between your own devices around you, PAN is more than enough. So remember, PAN is all about connecting devices that are closest to you in a very small range and it usually happens wirelessly, even though this can be created using wide devices like USB cables and all. Now let's just talk about LAN, which is local area network. A LAN connects devices within a limited area, usually a single home, office, or campus. The range of LAN can vary from a few rooms to an entire building, but it always stays local. For example, the Wi-Fi in your house is local area network because all your devices, say your phone, laptop, smart TV, and printer, all are connected to the same Wi-Fi so that they can share files, stream content, and even print documents because they are all on the same network. Another example is a computer lab in the college. All the computers are connected together within one campus, forming a LAN. The main advantage of LAN is that it is fast and reliable. Since it's owned and managed privately, you don't have to depend on an outside provider to keep it running. LANs usually use Ethernet cables or Wi-Fi to connect devices. If we compare this to transportation, a LAN is like driving within your neighborhood or office campus. You don't need a metro or airplane for a short distance. A simple car or bike is enough to get you around. Similarly, LAN connects devices only within a specific limited area. So in short, LAN is about high speed, private networking within home, offices and campus, and it is one of the most common types of networks we use daily. Now let's scale up to the next level and let us know about Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. A MAN covers a much larger area than a LAN. Instead of just one building or campus, it can connect devices and networks across the entire city, say university campus. You can think of it like a multiple LANs which are joined together to make a bigger network. For example, the Wi-Fi network that covers the whole university campus or an entire city is MAN. Another example is cable TV networks or a citywide Wi-Fi services provided by the internet service providers. They connect many local networks into one larger system that serves the whole city. Coming to the speed, the MAN is moderate and not as fast as LAN inside your home, but it is powerful enough to connect multiple areas together. It is usually managed by service providers, government bodies, or large organizations. And if we compare this to transportation system, a man is like using public transport across the city like buses, trams, or metro trains. You can't just walk or drive everywhere quickly when the city is large. So you need a bigger shared system to move people across the long distance, right? Similarly, in the same way, when we need to connect across the city, a LAN is not just enough. And that's where MAN comes in. So in short, MAN is designed to connect multiple LANs across city or metropolitan area, making communication possible on a larger scale. Now imagine, you need to send a message from your home in Mumbai or Bangalore to a friend in New York. You can't just shout across the ocean, right? And that's where wide area networks or WANs come into the picture. They connect computer networks across the cities, continents, countries, enabling long distance communication. A wide area network or WAN is a network that covers large geographic area, unlike a local area network which is limited to your house or office. A WAN can span countries or even the entire globe. You can think of this network like a system of highways connecting cities and countries. Just like highways let the vehicles travel long distances, WAN allow data to travel across vast distances. To sum up, wide area networks are the backbone of global connectivity. They allow data to travel across the world, connecting businesses, governments, and individuals. So the next time you send an email, join a Zoom call, or stream a movie, remember WANs are invisible highways that making it all possible. There are many other types of networks that are available apart from the ones that we have discussed. But that's all for today's video, guys. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. And if you find this video useful and informative, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next video. Bye.